Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tracy and I want to welcome you to Cisgame 403 Fall 2020. Here we are. Want to log on to Canvas. Here's a quick look around of what you should do and what you should know to get started with this class. If you want to know my contact information, start right here by clicking on the welcome button. Then you get a picture of me and also how to get a hold of me. And the best way to get a hold of me is by email, so that's listed here. But you can also message me directly through Canvas using the people link right here. In addition to that, I will be scheduling regular class meetings. Now, this is an asynchronous online class, meaning we don't have any mandatory days where you have to log on and catch up with me. But I do think it's nice sometimes to have a discussion. So I'm going to set out a poll that I'd like you all to give me some of your availability. Probably we're going to schedule class for Thursday, but we'll see. I'm also available for one-on-one personal Zoom meetings. You would have to contact me to schedule that, and we'll set something up that's convenient for both of us. All right, getting back to look at the class, from the home page, you can get links to just about everything that we're going to be doing. So you've got the content that we'll cover each week, and I'll send you out an email each week to describe that for you. The books are actually available online, and they're free. So if you just look at inventwithpython.org, you'll be able to access the books without having to buy them. If you've already bought them, take them back. Unless you want to print a copy, which you definitely can. In this class, there's going to be 6 projects, and we're going to start off by working with twine. I'm going to send out a video later to talk about the stuff for this week, but I just wanted to point out where you can find each of the projects and also the discussions that are going to be part of the assignments. The class itself, if you look at the syllabus, clicking on the syllabus link will take you to the syllabus, where you've got contact information and a description of this class. The class is going to use Python in order to work through the fundamentals of planning, syntax, logic, testing, debugging, and documentation to development of computer games. We're just going to get our feet wet in this, but it's going to be fun. When you are done with this class, you should be able to analyze and describe the programming language, compare and contrast the different types of languages, and be able to complete a game. In this class is just going to be discussions and projects, not doing any tests, so that'll be good for you. The discussions are just about every week, and the projects are going to be every few weeks. The projects are a bit more detailed, and they're going to require you to do some assignments on your own, but I'll be happy to help you. The 2 textbooks that we have for the class are Invent Your Own Games with Python and Making Games with Python in Pygame. They're free and they're online, and that's cool. So if you want to get started with them, there you go. You click on the link and then you just scroll down, and where it says read the book online, you've got it all. So that's nice, right? I think so too. The grading scale is based on a standard 90% an A and so forth. The schedule that is posted here is subject to change. It's a tentative schedule, and it may be revised or it could be updated, but at least it gets you an idea where to go. You see on this first week, it says Introduction to Class. By watching this video, by looking at the syllabus, you are doing the Introduction to Class. So the next thing is going to be the twine section, and I'm going to get to that next. So be looking for some updates about that. There's a discussion to do, and next week, the first project will be due. So you got to get busy right away. Going back to the main page, which is home, you'll notice these navigation on the side is going to help you move around. In the announcements section, you can see important things about the class, updates. I'll post at least one announcement every week describing what you need to read and what you need to do. The assignments are under here, any grades you have, modules, and people will allow you to talk to other people within the class, including me. The to-do list over here on the right tells you where you should be. This little icon means that's an announcement. I just posted that right before this video. And there's a project 1, which I'm going to go over in a little bit. And there's also, I would like you to introduce yourself. Right here underneath my welcome sign, you can see a link that says introduce yourself. And under introduce yourself, I would just, oops, gotta make that available. Introduce yourself. Bit of a hiccup there. Once you get to this, you'll be able to introduce yourself. Tell me a little bit about yourself. I'd like to know your name, your major, what classes you're taking this semester, what classes that you've already taken, what you want to do in the future. It'd be nice if you could post a picture too. It'd be great to get to see you. So that's it for getting started. If you have questions, I want to hear from you. But I am going to be sending you some future information about the next module, which is going to be twine. And so be looking for that too. Have a great semester.